that's actually 80. Yeah, low side is 80, the pressure.
Low side is actually 80.
Yeah, the middle.
And what's the high side?
The high 20. 220.
What?
220.
220.
220. And then the saturation for
The evaporator?
the suction
The
evaporator
condenser?
saturation. Yeah.
Wait, what's the evaporator saturation?
105.
105?
And then for the condenser,
The condenser saturation?
45.
How much is it?
45.
45? Okay, what's the superheat and the subcool?
Well, line 10 minus gauge 10.
What
Right?
now?
Line 10 minus gauge 10.